So today we've been unboxing this Mario. Mario is one of my favorite franchises. Let's first unbox the box. And this one was made by Jakks Pacific. You may know them for the Sonic figures.
Is it a quality figure?
Yes, Mommy, yes. You can get them out of the packaging.
Poor Mario. Oy. Wow.
Do you want to see him, Mommy?
Sure, yeah.
And like, he has articulation.
Let's see. Turn him towards the camera. Oh.
Look at this,
Articulation.
Mommy.
That's very nice, Mario.
Yes, Mommy, yes.
Get the Easter egg stuff out of the way.
Easter. And next up we have the package. The mushroom is so hard to get out.
Let me help. What you find under there, Jack?
The mushroom.
Let me see.
And-
Let me see. Nice.
Mommy, do you like the detail of Mario?
I do like the detail.
Then like, Mommy, then he looks like one of the little